Hi guys, and welcome to the SimpleSwap cryptocurrency exchange. In this video, we will guide you on how to get Mina coins in just a few simple steps using our updated platform. So let's roll. First, let's take a closer look at the Mina project. Mina protocol is a minimal, succinct blockchain built to curtail computational requirements in order to run dApps more efficiently. Mina is the world's lightest blockchain since its size is designed to remain constant despite growth in usage. Mina team's mission is to create a vibrant decentralized network and open programmable currency, so we can all participate, build, exchange, and thrive. Mina protocol has its own native crypto called Mina that can be used for transaction fees and block rewards. Sounds cool, right? Mina is definitely worth your attention. Ready to get some Mina coins? Start with selecting the coin that you want to exchange in the USENT section using the drop-down list. You can also use the search bar. Just start typing the name of the cryptocurrency or its ticker. Next, enter the amount you would like to exchange. Now select Mina in the You Get section. You can also use the search bar. After that, you will see the estimated amount of coins you will receive. Please note that there is a minimum amount for every exchange. Do not send an amount less than the minimum one. Then click on the exchange button to move into the next step. Here, you need to enter the recipient's Mina address. For your convenience, you can simply add here your MetaMask address or use our SimpleHold Lite wallet. Don't forget to double-check your address. Your Mina coins will be sent to this address right after the exchange. Alright, now all the necessary details for the exchange are entered. Once again, make sure that all the data is correct. If everything is okay, click the Create Exchange button and you will be forwarded to the exchange page. At this stage, the status of your exchange is waiting. Here, you will see the address to send the indicated amount of Cardano to continue the exchange. You can use the QR code to speed things up. After you send the deposit, you can see that the status of your exchange is changed to confirming. Then, after we have received the deposit to our address and the transaction has the required amount of confirmations, the status will be indicated as exchanging, which means that your exchange is in progress. While our system is sending you Mina, the status changes to sending, and you will only have to wait a little for the coins to reach your address. Now that's it. Your exchange is completed and you can see the indicated status is finished successfully. In most cases, the exchange process usually takes up to 30 minutes. See how simple it is. If you enjoyed using our platform, you can recommend us to your friends. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more videos from SimpleSwap.